So hello guys, so welcome back. So today is Friday, the last day of the week. So it's August 8th. So it's gonna be my third run for this week. So hopefully I can surpass the 5 kilometer run today in just a span of, I don't know, so just see and say metabol later. Hopefully dili lang muulan, then the condition mind and body so, para makasustain. So see you sa kadalanan. Bye. It's on 10 kilometers for how many minutes? 1 hour and almost 12 seconds. 12 minutes. Grabe ka kapoy. So, ang pacing at do kay 7:11. So, more to go pa, more practice. Then, a lot more strengthening pa sa legs kay grabe ka hawi sa paa. So, now I need to change. Alright. So, fully, it's now 6:53. So, grabe. Then, it's raining na. Actually, outside. So, nataligsik na ganina. Karon kay medyo ni kusog-kusog. So, it's just in time lang na human. Okay. So, kita ko ang abs. A big stomach. Look at that. Grabe ka init. Grabe ka singot. Ang tabunan akong tiyan kay. You know na. No? Grabe. So, at least kay gahapon wala man kadagan kalafang gahapon. Lafang day, no? Hindi maiwasan na nagi days nga grabe ang kaon. Sige lang. So, we need to bawi-bawi. So, that's it. So, it's a wrap for today. So, see you on the next video. Bye!